Here's the 30-day review that everyone's asking me to make about the OpenSea NFT sniper. I've ran this for 30 days. I've gotten 2 bored apes for under 1 Ethereum and multiple other NTFs. Basically, what this does is constantly monitors any kind of given collection that you put in the config file and sees if anyone lists it for under that amount. So after you download the zip file, you unzip it, put it like anywhere where it's easy for you to find. I usually put it on my desktop. And you're going to have these files in here. The main files you can be concerned with is config file and the index file. So first thing you do before you run it is put in the settings in the config file. You're going to have to put in your public wallet address and your private key so it can actually buy the NTF. If your wallet does not have a private key or doesn't give it to you, you're going to have to put your public address and your seed phrase. But that's only for wallets that do not give you your private key. Then for network, I haven't changed this. I've never used the Polygon network. I've always used the Ethereum network, so I've always left that at 1. All the NTFs I ever wanted were on the Ethereum network, so never had a reason to change that. And my max spend, I have it set for 0.5 Ethereum. And the collection I'm looking for is a Bored Ape Yacht Club. I've run 2 with these settings so far this month. And I plan on getting more. I might move that up because, the first one I got, I was questionable if I should go back to my day job because I literally resold. I resold it after I bought this for 0.5. It was actually a little bit under 0.5. So when you set this as the maximum it'll spend on the NTF, if the NTF is listed for under that, then it will only spend with the amount that's listed for. So it was actually under 0.5 I got it for, but that's the maximum that's inside my wallet. So when you set the maximum, you want to make sure you have that amount, of course, inside the wallet you're providing, or it would never actually trigger the sniper to buy because it would know, hey, we don't have the money to buy it anyways. So no reason to trigger that. But so when I get my first Bored Ape, I know this is probably like, oh, I don't want to hear about this story, but it's amazing to me. I was questioning if I should go back to my day job. Because, I literally resold that for $250,000 within 2 days of buying it for 0.5 Ethereum. So, yes, it was a life changer. And this has been a life changer. If I could say one specific open source that was a free script to me has been a life changer, it'd be this one here. It's been amazing. And then, of course, the last setting, the NTF collection ID, that would be so you would set this, I have mine set for the Bored Yacht Club. So when you look at the OpenSea URL, when you go to the collections, it would be this little back half here that you would put. So if this was a different collection, it would be collection something blah blah blah. You would grab that, and that would go over here. You just don't put the whole big URL in there. Just the name of the collection goes in there, exactly the way it is on the URL. And that's about it for configuring. Once you save that, then you would go to your index HTML and you would run it in a web browser. And right now it's throwing up saying cannot find private key or seed because I didn't enter one in right now. And to config the config.js. But if you would have stuck your private key or seed in there, it would be looking for the collection right now for that amount that you set. So keep in mind you have to have that amount inside your wallet that you set, or you'll never find it. And if you do go over that, let's say you're looking for a Bored Ape for 1 Ethereum or under. If it does find one for under, keep in mind that it's going to buy it for the under the amount. It's not going to go higher than what it is. So that's always a good thing. And that's how I find them really cheap. And you can find some awesome NTFs for dirt cheap. And it's not just about finding NTFs. It's basically about not having to go to my day job anymore because I can resell them. And made it sort of into my side hustle into I guess, a career. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.